Umentri rang mak jelau Conrad ke Sangma khat pratrik jemang ula Plie ba ek Skul Hikai Phutbol ko tip kum ka Dare to Dream Academy kabadi kisin jam lay trilan ka BB Football School Barkat Dream Foundation hakani kisingi la pelong kini program hakasai training center hapot nihu balasa khiru yang jing dan lang ringkat unoi la kai football bapaw na bha ubai chung butia nang ta ki khot ka Dream Foundation me kinong paniat kasai kiblai dan lang hakani kisingi
Go, I'll record. I'm recording for you. Go. Let's go. Yeah. You're almost the same size also. Chal, kill. I'm recording. Boss, playing means you have to run a bit, huh? You cannot stand in one place. If you look at the overall picture even now, whether it's the under 17 or even at the senior level, a large number of players are actually from Northeast. And you have to realize that these talents have come out almost wrong, which means that they have come out on their own and they did not have the necessary support in infrastructure. So in spite of not having that, still there were a large number who made it to the national team. So you can imagine that if we are able to provide scientific and proper training and the necessary infra to them, it will be a game changer. So the future is huge. We have a lot of people who are talented, not just in football, but in sports in general, in different disciplines. And we expect that not just in football, but in many areas, in the coming years and many years to come, that Northeast will contribute immensely to overall sports sector in the nation as a whole. And we hope that our players will be able to contribute to the national football team. And we hope that one day India will start qualifying and obviously will start winning and hopefully win the World Cup also.
Honorable CM Meghalaya state footballers, and they've gone to the finals of Santosh Trophy, in fact, which is a big achievement, from a state from Northeast. I think they were the ones who went on to qualify. So yeah, I think that shows that Meghalaya football is definitely has got potentials, but I think we still need to do much more from the grassroots.